Welcome back to Emily Fan, Emily's Kitchen. From the video just now, can you guess what we are going to make today? Yes, that's right, we are going to make the Charsiu pork, also known as the Chinese style barbecue pork. Charsiu pork is a very popular dish for Chinese and it is widely used in a lot of the Asian cuisine. You can use the Charsiu pork to make the barbecue pork bun, the hot pot, fried noodles, the fried rice, the noodle soup, and so many other things. Okay, let's have a look at the ingredients today. To make the Charsiu, I would recommend to use the kola butt because it has the right amount of fat and it will create the mouth-watering and juicy taste of Charsiu. This is the red yeast powder. It's a natural coloring to make the Charsiu look nice. If you don't have this, you can skip it.
Mix all the ingredients together in a big bowl. First, we add soy sauce, the cooking wine, sugar, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of oyster sauce, a 1/4 teaspoon of fine spice powder and white pepper, red yeast powder, and finally the honey. Mix well with a spatula. Next, place the pork kola butt into a large Ziploc bag and add all the marinade prepared earlier. Don't forget the garlic too. Make sure the butt is all rubbed in. Then place it in the fridge and leave overnight.
Now our marinated Charsiu is ready and I'm going to show you 2 different ways of cooking the Charsiu. One, we can use the barbecue. If you don't have the barbecue, don't worry, we can use the oven.
Before we put into oven, we need to hook the pork. You can find this hook in the hardware store. Our oven is preheated at 220 degrees. We are going to place a tray with aluminum foil. Then we are going to hook the pork and bake for 25 minutes.
While the Charsiu pork is being cooked in the oven, we can prepare the sauce for brushing. 2 tablespoons of the marinade, 1 tablespoon of water, and 2 tablespoons of honey, and just mix together. After 25 minutes, look at this Charsiu, the beautiful Charsiu. And now we have to use the marinade sauce that we prepared earlier and brush on it. Remember to brush both sides. Now we can put it back again to the oven and bake for another 10 to 15 minutes.
Use a thermometer to ensure the meat is cooked.
The Charsiu pork oven method is now ready. Now I'm going to show you the second method using the barbecue. Let's go! This is the barbecue machine that I use and it has now been preheated at 220 degrees. I have also adding some hickory wood chip to give that smoky flavor.
We'll start roasting with indirect heat at 220 degrees.
We'll come back after 20 minutes.
Now remove foil and start grilling on the plate. Brush again with marinade on each side. After 8 minutes, flip to the other side and grill for another 8 minutes, again at 220 degrees.
The Charsiu pork is now ready. Let's have a closer look at both sides. We have finished cooking our Charsiu pork both ways, oven and the barbecue. Shall we compare?
Both look wonderful. On the right hand side, we have the oven cook, which has less caramelization. On the left hand side, the BBQ has the perfect caramelization.
Guys, it's tasting time. I'm going to taste the first one, which is the Marinade. Show you the meat. It is sweet. It is juicy. Oh my god, so delicious. This is the barbecue method. Oh, this is even better. It really surprises me. So good. I don't know how to explain to you how good it is, but it's just so delicious. You have to try yourself, then you know how tasty it is. Both Charsiu pork are delicious, but in my opinion, if you can, do it the barbecue way because it just gives that the extra Charsiu flavor, which makes it tastier. I hope you do like the video today. Try to make it, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye, see you later.